All right, pilots, goggles down, thumbs up. Let me see. Lady Liberty style. Thank you. 3. Good. Got good video on all 3 channels. We got all bets are off. Pilots, arm your quads. And you're going to launch in less than 5 on the tone. Listen for the tone. All right, all 3 somewhat in the air. Looks like Jonathan made the whole shot. Captain Young right behind him with Ringo in 3rd position. Sims dealt right through the top side of the over and under and over the trees. First lap down for Captain Young, 30 seconds, 41 miles an hour on average. Right behind him is Simsdelt, 34 seconds, 4 seconds behind the pace. Keep it in the air, pilots 1 point per lap. And after the tone or after the final, you can finish that lap. 60 seconds left, pilots. 30.26 seconds for Captain Young on the second lap. Sims is 32.6 seconds. 3-second improvement on his last lap. Ringo 61.8 seconds on his first lap. Looks like 30 seconds on the clock. Keep it in the air. Another lap down for Captain Young. That's 28.4 seconds, improving every couple seconds, every lap. Keep it going. Bottom through the over and under. And he sweeps up, goes above the trees, dives down, and veers to the right to find the yellow flag through the woods. Captain Young approaching final turn. 1 second, and time is up. Finish up your last lap. That's it. Captain Young, I think that was it for you, bud. Yep, you missed it. Yep, you're right at it, brother. Yep. Bring it on home. Yep.
When you need gear, you want it fast. For some vendors, they're okay with half-fast shipping. At Ready Made RC, we're not, and ship more than twice as fast as most other vendors. Don't settle for half-fast shipping. In-stock orders placed before 2 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday, and USPS orders in before noon on Saturdays ship the same day. Get your orders shipped twice as fast with Ready Made RC.